Ever find yourself juggling more cloud storage accounts than you can keep track of? We feel your pain. With documents strewn across Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, it's a mess. It's tough keeping everything organized. It feels like you're navigating a digital maze. What gives? Isn't there a way to simplify, a method to manage everything from a single platform? Imagine a place where everything is streamlined, where chaos is tamed and organization rules. A solution to your cloud storage woes. Enter MultCloud. MultCloud is a free application that empowers you to transfer, sync, and backup files across multiple cloud services, all without the tedious process of downloading and re-uploading. Imagine the convenience of real-time folder synchronization, the peace of mind of cloud-to-cloud backup, and the utility of managing all your cloud storage accounts with a single login. With MultCloud, you can even save your Gmail emails as PDFs, a feature that's sure to come in handy. And the best part? MultCloud supports over 30 cloud services. That's right, whether you're a Dropbox devotee or a Google Drive guru, MultCloud has got you covered. Transferring large amounts of data between cloud solutions has never been easier. Users worldwide are already reaping the benefits of MultCloud's user-friendly interface and efficient functionality. So why not join them? Think of all those hours you could save, all the confusion you could avoid. MultCloud offers you a streamlined, integrated approach to cloud storage management. It's not just about making life less complicated, it's about making it more efficient. It's about giving you more time to focus on what truly matters. So, are you ready to take the leap into a more organized, efficient cloud storage experience? There's a link waiting for you in the description. Click it and embark on a journey with MultCloud. It's time to bid farewell to the chaos of managing multiple cloud storage accounts and say hello to a unified, simplified solution. With MultCloud, the power to manage your digital world is just a click away.